Okay, so we are going to start our analysis session over here. Can you all hear me clearly? Testing, testing, one, two, three. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, now let me share my screen over here. Okay, hold on a second, let me open my trading view first. Okay, so can you all see the screen now? Okay, so this is the GBP USD setup that we took last few weeks, and then it hit our take profit last week. Alright, so let me just remove this one first. Okay, so okay, for the first pair I'm going to analyze is this GBP USD. Now looking at the daily time frame, you can see that the price is in a very strong uptrend over here. Okay, but then we won't enter a trade straight away. We will wait for the price to need to analyze that there is another next level over here. Okay, there is another one key level over here. So why do I call this a key level? Because the price reacted to this level for a few times. Okay, for the first time over here. The first time is over here. Okay, first time, and then the price broke past. Second time, then the third time over here, then the fourth time break past, fifth time, sixth time, and seventh time. So this is a significant zone over here. Alright, so I will pay attention to this zone. Okay, so for now we will just wait for confirmation before we enter a trade, because price is now in a very, how do I say, it's in a small ranging state over here. So I would say that it's either I wait for the price to break past this resistance level before I consider a trade, or I will wait for the price to go back down to this support zone over here. Alright, let me change it to red color over here. Okay, so yeah, this is the trade that we took last week over here, which is a breakout and retest, a very simple trade. So this is the SNR zone over here. The price broke out and retested to this zone, and then we straight away enter a trade at this price level. Okay, and then the next thing you can see that the price after it hit our take profit level, it's been ranging for a while here, so we will not focus on any trade for now. We will just wait for the price to show us some movement before we enter a trade. Okay, so for now we just have to wait first. Okay, so that is GBP USD. Alright, so now we move on to USD JPY. So before that, we look at index first. Okay, this is the DXY index. Now we look at the daily time frame of the DXY. Okay, for the daily time frame, the price actually formed this bearish engulfing candle over here, so indicating a very strong bearish momentum. Alright, so you can see this is a very clear resistance zone over here, but then the price wasn't able to break past this. I mean, the price was knocked out by this resistance zone. That's why it was in a very bearish momentum over here. Alright, so you can see that the price this was during November. Okay, when the price it hit back up over here, it hit up, and then it reacted to this resistance zone, and then it formed one bearish engulfing candle, and then the next thing it does is it went up with a very strong bullish momentum. So I think that was during the election of Trump. Alright, so that was a time when the XY went very aggressive until it hit the next level over here, which is SNR level over here. Okay, the price hit this level once and then twice over here. Twice because the price formed a long wick rejection over here. Okay, so this is the long wick rejection, indicating that the price might be a possible downtrend. So you can see the price it went down and then it hit a demand zone over here. So this is a demand zone. Okay, in the daily time frame, you can see clearly there is a demand zone over here. So what we can do now is wait for the price to see how it react to this demand zone. Okay, although the price form a very bearish candle over here, but then we have to wait for the price to show us some sort of confirmation before we enter the trade. Right, so you can see in the weekly time frame, the price actually form a rejection candle over here. Okay, form a rejection candle with a long wick, so that might be a possible rejection and the price will go up. Okay, this is just a possible prediction over here, but then there is also another case where the price will straight away hit back down. All right, so we'll just wait and see how the market react to this zone. Then only we will see is there any trade opportunity or not. All right, hold on, there's someone coming in. Okay, hello, hello. So right now, what I am analyzing is this DXY trade over here. I mean DXY pair. Okay, so you can see the price show multiple rejection over here. One is this rejection candle forming a doji, and then the second one is this long wick rejection candle. So the price might be in a possible bearish momentum, but then it went down. Okay, then after the price it went down, it hit this demand zone over here. So there might be a possible movement that the price will go up after reacting this demand zone. But then we will not predict that first because there is also another possible movement that the price will hit back down, breaking this demand zone. Okay, so there are two possible directions for this DXY. But then in the weekly time frame of this DXY, you can see that the price is rejecting this demand zone. Okay, a long wick over here. But then we will just wait and see how the price react to this demand zone for more confirmation. Alright. So I am still looking bearish for USD JPY. For most USD pair, I am still looking for bearish opportunity. So in the day time frame, you can see that this is a very clear S&R zone over here. Price reacted to this zone for multiple times. Okay, then now you can see the price it actually broke past this support zone. Then it came back to retest. So I will wait for some sort of confirmation before I enter a sell trade. Okay, so for USD pair, I am still looking for sell. USD pair, I am looking for sell. For the pairs that are against USD, I'm looking for buy. The most, for most of the pair, I wouldn't say all of the pair I'm looking for buy for the pair that are against USD, but then for most of the pair. So for this one, USD JPY, I'm looking for sell over here. Okay, but then I'm still waiting for the price to show some sort of confirmation. Alright, so this rejection candle is not enough for me to enter the trade yet. I will wait for more confirmation first. Although this is in the daily time frame, but then this is not enough yet because the price is still in a very strong uptrend movement over here. So I will wait at least for the price to form a bearish candle. Okay, a very strong bearish engulfing candle over here before I consider enter a trade. So for now, I will not enter a trade first. Okay, so this is my analysis for USD I am still looking for bearish opportunity. And then for EUR GBP, okay, as analyzed that day, the price, let me see. Ko Yao Chen, is there any question from you? No? Okay. Okay, so now we move on to this EUR GBP over here. In this EUR GBP is a very clear downtrend, as you can see I mentioned over here. A lower low and lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And then the price went up to this lower high over here. We are still looking for sell trade. Then you can see the price went down and then it went up again to this lower high zone over here. It's a very strong major S&R zone over here. Okay, so I am still looking for sell opportunity. So as mentioned that day, there is a demand zone over here. So I will not enter a trade very fast yet. Okay, unless in the daily time frame the price show us a very strong bearish confirmation candle, or in the 4 hour time frame the price it break past and retest to this zone. Okay, it's either one of these. Now I will wait to see how the price react to this zone before I enter the trade. So for now I will not enter the trade first because it's quite risky for now, because the price just reacted to this demand zone as analyzed that day and it burned out with a bullish candle. Okay, so I will just wait first and see if there is more confirmation for me to enter a trade. Then I will only enter. For now, no trade for now because there is a demand zone over here and the price it went up after reacting to this demand zone. Okay, so we will just wait and see how the price reacted to this demand zone again and this major SNR zone. Okay, there is also a case that the price will break past this zone and that time we were focusing on buy lah. So for now we will just look for sell opportunity. Alright, so okay, so that is AUR GBP. We are looking for sell. Then GBP USD as analyzed just now, we are looking for buy, but then there is a resistance level over here. Alright, so we will not enter a trade straight away. We will wait for the price to either come back down to this support zone or it break past this resistance level over here. So we will enter the trade. So it's either one of these happen, we will enter the trade. Alright, so for GBP USD, since this pair is against USD, so we were looking for buy rather than sell. Okay, and then the next thing is USD CSF. Okay, for this USD CSF pair, I am also looking for sell opportunity. But then for now, the price reacted to this support zone over here and it went up with a, I would not say this is a very strong bullish momentum over here, but then there is some rejection against this zone, meaning that the price will, there is still a possibility that the price will go up. Okay, so I will enter and trade only when the price it break past this demand zone over here, mean a support zone, then it forms some confirmation candle over here, then only I will enter the trade. Alright, then I can also see that the next zone is, so here's my next zone. Alright, so my next zone is over here. Let me see first. To be specific, this one. Okay, this is my next zone, so I will wait for the price to break past this zone first, then only I will look for possible sell opportunity. Alright, so for now I will just wait for the price to break past this zone first. Okay, and then I'm still looking for sell for USD CSF, so we will just wait first. And then for AUD USD, okay, there might be a possible opportunity here. The price, I am waiting for the price to break past this zone first. I mean this supply level. Okay, so in the weekly time frame, you can see the price it reacted to this support zone over here. It's a very strong support zone, and then it formed a double bottom over here. Okay, double bottom. So for those beginners, for you to understand better, this is double bottom lah. The price reacted to this support zone twice. Then the second one show us a very strong bullish momentum. Okay, a long wick candle over here, meaning that the price has a high possibility to hit upwards. Okay, so we are still looking for bullish opportunity for AUD USD. Alright, so for now you can see that the price it reacted to this supply level and it went down, and that it's been ranging here for a while. So now we are waiting for the price to hit back up here first. Okay, wait for the price to break past this supply level before we enter the trade. Alright, so that is AUD USD. Alright, you can see the price is going to go up, but then I'm not sure about that. We will just wait and see how the price reacted to this zone. Okay, and then for GBP CAD, okay. So for this one, this is actually a zone over here. Okay, SNR zone. I'm waiting for the price to break past this zone and be tested over here, but then it went up straight away. So now for now I will just, I mean, I'm still looking for bullish opportunity here, but then I will wait for the price to be tested to this zone first. Okay, let me see in the 4 hour time frame over here. Yeah, in the 4 hour time frame it's still a very strong bullish trend over here. Okay, the price forming high high, high low, and then high high. Wait, the wrong high over here. Okay, the price forming a high high, and then high low, and high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low. Okay, then the price back past this zone, so there might be a possible downtrend over here. Okay, but then this is just in the small time frame. I will still be looking for bullish opportunity for GBP CAD. Alright, because I am more of a swing trader, so I will just focus more on buy rather than sell. Alright, so for now we will just wait and see how the price come back down over here. Okay, I mean there is also a zone here. In the daily time frame there is also a zone over here. So price might reacted to this zone and went up, or it reacted back down to this major zone, or it went up. Okay, it really depends. So if the price reacted to this zone, I will wait and see what kind of confirmation it formed. But of course, for the one that I prefer is I want the price to be tested to this major zone over here lah. Okay, because this zone is more solid than the zone over here. So I would prefer the price to react to this zone rather than the zone above here. Okay, so now I'm waiting for the price to retest, but still I'm looking for bullish opportunity in GBP CAD. Okay, so now USD CAD over here, nothing much to see. Okay, as analyzed that day, the price hit a supply level over here, and then until it hit the supply level, it went down with a very strong bearish candle. It went down with a very strong bearish candle over here, okay, indicating a very strong downtrend. So I'm still looking for a sell for USD CAD, but then the price has been ranging here for a few weeks. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will wait for the price to break past this S&R zone first, and then it will retest, and then I will look for sell opportunity. So for now, I will not take any trade yet, but then for USD pair, I mostly look for sell. Okay, and then GBP JPY. Okay, nothing much here. It's still in the ranging motion over here. Here is the S&R zone, and here is the support zone over here. So you can see the price has been reacting to this level up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, there is no clear market structure, there is no clear price movement over here, so we will not enter a trade yet until we see a clear movement. Okay, so now the next one is the GBP CHF. Okay, not a clear market structure here also. The price has been very choppy over here, choppy, and then it break past this resistance zone, and then until it break past, it is still in a very choppy condition, so I will not focus too much on this pair. Okay, it's very choppy over here. And then let's go to USD. Okay, as analyzed that day, the price reacted to this supply zone over here, and now looks like the price is rejecting this zone, and also there is a possibility that the price will break past this zone. Okay, so there are two possibilities here. You can see the price reacted to this zone and then form two bearish candles over here. But then there is also a possibility that the price will break past this zone. Okay, we will just wait and see. So for AYUSD, I'm also looking for bullish opportunity. So it's either I wait for the price to be tested to this support zone over here. Okay, so this is a very strong support zone, a major zone over here. So I am looking forward to buying AYUSD if the price be tested to this zone and forming some sort of bullish engulfing candle over here. Okay, so that would be nice for me to enter the trade. Alright, or I will wait for the price to break past this zone, break past, we tested this zone. Okay, let me use my arrow over here. or I wait for the price to break past and retest to this zone and form a confirmation candle over here before I enter the trade. Okay, so there are two possible scenarios for this EUR USD over here. Alright, so I'm still looking for buy for for this EUR USD pair. I mean, for most pairs that are against USD, I'm looking for sell. And then for the USD pair, I'm looking for buy. No. It's for USD pair, I'm looking for sell. Okay, and then for the pair that are against USD, I'm looking for buy. Alright. Sorry. And then for USD, gold market quite bullish over here. Okay, and it looks like gold is trying to make a retracement over here. A very long wick candle. Okay, so gold might make a retracement to this zone over here. So I'm not sure. But then I haven't been trading gold market for a very long time already. Alright. So the same thing over here, the gold has been a very strong uptrend momentum, so I would focus on buy rather than sell. Or in this daily time frame, you can also see that the price formed a rejection candle. Okay, it's a doji candle over here. That means the price has been consolidating here. It's been ranging up and down with not enough strength to go up. Okay, so the price might possibly go down and make a retracement. Okay, it's just a possible scenario over here. Alright, so for now, but then gold is more suitable for scalpers. So for me as more of a swing trader, I would say that I will focus more on currency pair rather than gold market. Okay, so that is basically the whole idea of how I analyze the market. I mean, there is no good opportunity for now. The price is still reacting some tone over here. I mean, there are a few pair I will take into consideration, like USD Okay, the one that I would put star here is the one that I would consider. Net EUR GBP, I will put a star here. GBP USD, nothing else yet, so we will just wait. USD CSF, nothing yet. And then for AUD USD, still nothing. And then for GBP CAD, okay, I'll just consider it and put it over here. Then USD CAD, nothing yet. I'll just cancel the star over here. GBP JPY, nothing. GBP CSF. Okay, so for the three pair that I would focus on is this USD JPY, EUR GBP, and GBP CAD. Okay, so if any of these pairs show any confirmation, I will enter a trade. But then for GBP USD, it's actually I'm waiting for the price to retrace. So for the pair that I'm really focused on is just USD JPY and AUR GBP lah. I'll just cancel GBP CAD one. Okay, so both of these pair I'll be looking for opportunity this week. Okay, to see if there is any possible trade or not. Alright, but then for now we will not enter any trade yet because there is no good opportunity here. So that is the overall of my trade analysis here. Is there any question from you all? Any question from you? Teja, how was the analysis? Well, okay. That's good. Okay. Is there any question from you want to ask? Or maybe you want me to analyze other market? Let me try to share this link on Instagram. Okay, to see if I have more people coming in our live stream or not. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to share this sharing first. Alright, hold on a while. Okay, let me see your comment first. And observe liquidity as well as okay. Liquidity, yeah. I'm also paying attention to this. But then for EUR GBP and USD JPY, these are the two pairs that I am considering. So for the other pair, nothing much happening there. So I will just wait and see if there is any opportunity or not. Okay, if there is any confirmation candle, then I will enter a trade. But for now, I will not enter a trade. So yeah, we will just wait and see first how the price reacted to this zone. Now, for now, you can just wait. So, is there any question from you, bro? Or is there anything that you want me to answer or you want to ask? So for now, there is no any trade over here. So nothing much to do over here. We will just wait and see lah. Okay. Any trades are there in your direction? In your direction. I mean, these are two possible trades that I might take. USD and EUR because most of the pair that I analyze now don't even have a good opportunity yet. But then USD I'm waiting for the price to form at least some sort of confirmation candle over here. Get a bearish confirmation candle before I enter the trade. But then for now, I will not enter the trade yet. I'll just wait to see how the price reacted to this S&R zone over here. Okay, and then for EUR the price came back to this lower high zone. So I'll be waiting for the price. I will either wait for the price to form a bearish engulfing candle in daytime frame, or I will wait for the price to break past and be tested to this zone. Okay, so I'm looking for sell opportunity for these two trades over here. So I'll put 2 star over here just for my own reference. Okay, yeah. So basically, I have USJPY and AUR GBP that I am more focused on. Alright, so is there anything you want to ask? What about EUR USD? Okay, EUR USD, I am still looking for bullish opportunity here. As you can see, the price reacted to this supply zone over here. Alright, then you can see there is some rejection over here. The price formed two bearish candle. Alright, so I will either wait for the price to break past this zone over here and looking for buy opportunity, or I will wait for the price to come back down to this support zone, this very strong support zone. Okay, so for now I will still be focusing on buy instead of sell for AUR GBP lah. Okay, I mean in the smaller time frame I can also see there's also a zone over here. In the smaller time frame I can see there's also a zone over here. So the price might be, I'm not sure. Okay, I will see how the price reacted to this zone over here. The price might go up or it might hit back down to this support zone. Okay, so I will just wait for the price to react to this zone. I mean, I will wait for it to see how it react, and then I will just enter a trade if there is any confirmation. Okay, so that is my idea on EUR USD. Yeah. So for now, I will just wait first. Okay, but then you are a scalper trader, so your thought process might be different than mine because I'm looking things at the bigger time frame. So I will interpret things differently. I mean, I will look things from a bigger picture lah. But then for you, it is more aggressive. I mean, scalper are more aggressive compared to uh swing trader because they have to focus on the chart all day. They have to take trades multiple times. But then for me, I will just wait for the best opportunity for me in the bigger time frame and then enter a trade. Okay, but then for now, there is no good trade over here, so I will just wait and see how. So for now, I'll just focus on EUR GBP and USD JPY. So for DXY, it's quite bearish for now lah. I would say it's quite bearish, but then the price just reacted to this demand zone. So there's a possible scenario that the price will go up. Okay, but then there is still a possibility only, not a certain direction. So the price will go where? I'm not sure about that. Okay, now yeah, in the real time frame, you can see the price actually form a very strong rejection candle over here. So there might be a possibility that we will enter a trade on EUR GBP, but then not now yet. We will just wait for more confirmation in the smaller time frame. Okay, so GBP CAD William frame, you can see the uptrend energy has been weaker because it has formed this rejection candle over here. So there might be a possible scenario that the price is going to retest lah. Okay, so for now there is no opportunity for me. Alright, so yeah, liquidity were taken the XY. Alright, so is there any question from you, bro? Or what do you want to ask? For now there's no good opportunity lah. So we'll just wait. I mean, for me, I will just wait. But then for you, you are a scalper, so you might approach the market differently. Okay. So regarding the trading journal template, do you know how to use it, or do you have any problem on using it? You can send a question here, and I will help you to answer. Okay, let me open up my Notion template over here first. Okay. Well, I actually did a video on Notion template, so I will upload it later on, but then not now yet because I need to edit the video. But then for now, I can give you a basic concept of how this trading journal works. Okay, you there, right? Hello, are you there? Okay, now let me show you this trading journal. Alright. Is there anything that you don't understand about this journal? So basically, the first part over here is the trading system. Okay, your to do, risk management, pair, time entry, and stop loss, both on take profit. So let me open up here first. Okay, you can add whatever trade you want. Let's say you trade US oil. Okay, you can put here US oil. Right. And then you took a long position or win. Then what is the time frame that you enter the trade? A day time frame, or 4-hour time frame, or 1 hour time frame. But then for you, most of the time maybe you could use up to 5 minute time frame, or even 5 minute time frame, or even 1 minute time frame. Okay, I mean this is all up to you. You can just add all of this by your own. And then the day, Monday, Tuesday, yeah, there is also Sunday and Saturday, but I didn't add over here. Okay, you can just put it if you want. And then the entry, market, limit, stop, it depends on how you enter the trade. And then the risk to reward ratio, emotion, lot size, and then the time you enter the trade, and then the end date over here. So if you want to open the end date, you can just open it over here. Okay, over here. And then the swap fee. So for this market, we have 0 swap fee and commission. So basically, most of the time we put over here 0 lah. Okay. Alright, and then the description, order field, order cancel or miss. Okay, maybe there are times that you miss your trade, or if you want to enter the trade but then you miss out the setup. Alright, then the trade stop, and then the screenshot of your trade, analysis. I mean, this is just an example over here lah, not a never mind, let me just show you this. Okay, an example here, you can just put before and after. It is recommended for you to put before and after so that you can see how your trade works. Okay, you can see the progress of your trade. So let's say if you're a scalper, you trade smaller time frame. So maybe most of the time you will use 5 minute time frame and 1 minute time frame. Right, it really depends on you. So you can put before and after to see the progress after you enter the trade, and after the price either hit your take profit or your stop loss. Okay, do before and after. And then analysis. What did you see? Let's say in the daily time frame, you see a downtrend momentum on the market, and then focus on sell rather than buy. 4-hour time frame, the price broke past the support and retested to it. Okay, and then entry and exit. So let's say your entry is at the bearish engulfing candle close, or maybe your entry is at the rejection candle. Okay, you can just put it here, rejection candle, or it could be hammer candle. Okay, and then your stop loss. So your stop loss is how many pips away from your entry. Well, let's say this way is 58 pips, so you put 58 lah. Right, 58 pips, 58 pips for take profit. And then for your reason for entry and exit. So your entry reason, so you here your entry reason is bearish engulfing candle close, or maybe if you see a rejection candle, bearish rejection candle over here, so your entry reason here might be bearish momentum. Okay, and then your stop loss, market structure high, and then your take profit is 1 risk to reward ratio before the next zone. Hey bro, I'm sorry, I'm not sharing the. Okay, let me share my screen over here. I'm sorry, but then I recorded my video, so you can look back the video if you want lah. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, so you can see over here. Now you can see my journal, right? Is it okay now? You can see my journal? Okay. So let me just go through again. I'm sorry just now. So for the first part over here, the first part here is your trading system. Okay, your risk management, pair, time, entry, and your stop loss, move on, and take profit. Okay, it's your journal. Now you have all these laws, market condition, US oil. Okay, let's say you add US oil, you can just add over here. Or maybe you trade BTC, right? BTC USD. Okay, you can just add by yourself. Okay, long position and then win, entry, time frame, day. You can add Sunday or Saturday on your own. Alright, because I know you also trade during the weekend, so you can add all this. And then the month. Alright, and then this type of the candle over here. I mean, this is the type of the trade that you focusing on lah. So let's say you trade breakout retest, you can just put over here breakout retest. Okay, a very simple idea. Then the entry method, market limit or stop, emotion, okay, and then the risk to reward ratio, and the time, start and exit. Okay, exit you can add over here. The end date over here you can add over here. And then your lot size, swap fee, commission fee. So for this market, it is mostly zero lah. Description, field, cancel, miss. Alright, and then your trade stop, and then the screenshots you can put before and after. Okay, you can put the progress of the trade to see how it goes at the starting and how it ended during the time it hit your take profit or your stop loss. Okay, and then you can put analysis here, daily time frame, blah 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 blah, focus on sell rather than buy, and then entry, blah blah blah, blah, bearish engulfing candle close. Okay, so for both of these are different. This is the one is when you put I mean this is your price position. Okay, let's say your entry is at this bearish engulfing candle close, then you put over here bearish engulfing candle close, and then your stop loss 58 pips, take profit 58 pips. Okay, how many pips away from your entry level, and then the reason why do you want to enter the trade at that price level. So maybe you see rejection, you say that yeah, bearish momentum over here, stop loss above market structure high, then take profit 1 week to reward ratio before the next support zone. Okay, it all depends on your own trading system, and then the follow-up action. So maybe you do trade stop, or maybe you close your trade earlier or what. Okay, you can just put it over here for your reference. And then the review plus learning, this is where you put all your what you learn lah. Basically how you can improve and where your mistakes were about this particular trade. Okay, so let's say if you overtrade, then you can just write that over here. Don't overtrade, and next time focus on trading system rather than trading based on emotion, something like that. Okay, and then the next thing over here, yeah, the last part is this learning and improvement and trading mindset. Okay, so this one you can just take anywhere from the books or even you see from internet. Okay, this is my first one lah. I put one over here. Strategy is not everything. And then in reality, strategy is only the first step toward becoming a profitable trader, blah 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 blah. Okay, you can add your own one. Okay, I don't mind. Alright, you can just add for your own understanding so that you can, I mean, both of these things are different. Okay, for trading mindset, you learn how to become, how to think like a trader. You learn how to think like a proper trader on how to executing trades and how to think about probabilities. And then for learning and improvement here are the mistakes that you make frequently. So let's say you trade based on emotion. So how can you improve that? So let's say if you have problems of which sometimes you wish more and sometimes you wish less because you are afraid. Okay, you can write that over here for your learning and improvement. Okay, this is where you write down all your mistakes and how you improve it. And this is where you improve your mindset as a trader, improve the way how you think as a trader. Okay, so that is basically the main idea of how this trading journal works. So are you clear, man? Okay, so never mind, never mind. So I think we will just stop the meeting over here. All right. So if there is nothing else, so I will upload the video in the on YouTube later, so you can watch it there. Okay. So if there's nothing else, so we will just end the meeting over here. Bye bye.